What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's trick tip, we're going to learn how to do a tail stall in transition. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing to the channel because we are almost at 500 subs, which is absolutely amazing. But in today's video, we're going to go through step by step of what you need to do to learn a tail stall. So let's get started. All right, so first things first, you need to make sure you know how to drop in. All right, so the foot positioning is going to be exactly the same as what you'd use to drop in transition, to even just ride around the skate park. You're gonna have your back foot firmly on the tail and your front foot, I like to cover my bolts, and that's how I just ride around and do all my tricks that I'm basically doing. So back foot on the tail, front foot firmly on the bolts and in your riding position. And I'm rolling away. All right, so you need to be very comfortable on riding transition because we are going up the ramp backwards to get into the tail stall. All right, so there's two major keys to doing a tail stall. Number one is speed. Now, it's a big factor because if you're going too fast, you're going to end up shooting off the deck, and that's not a great thing. If you're going too slow, that can be okay because you're going to end up doing a tail stall on concrete, so you can just drop back in. So you can progress going up the ramp to get to the coping. Number two is you don't actually have to push down on your back foot to get into the coping. You need to lift up your front. Now, a lot of people don't realize to lift up your front nose, you more or less want to lift up your front foot and your back foot will go down automatically. So as you're rolling up, get to the coping, lift up your front foot, stall for a second. You don't need to go all the way up. Stall for a second and then drop back in. All right, so another little quick tip is if you're going to progress this trick, you can go within the park, find a small little bank and go up fakie on that and do a little tail stall on that. Now, take this at your own progression. So you don't have to go to the biggest ramp you find and send it. Go to something very small. You might look silly or feel silly, but trust me, this is how we all learn. So if you enjoyed that video, definitely subscribe to the channel. We are so close to hitting 500 subscribers, and that is absolutely insane. And I love every single one of you for supporting us. So definitely check out the videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. All right, so once you get good at this trick, you can try a tail stall revert.